Hey guys, it's Sonia at the Red District Rose. Check out the ribbons that I'm going to be using to make this amazing bow. Here we go guys. We're going to start off with this 4-inch ribbon. We're going to make a loop on each side. Then we're also going to be doing just a tail. Next, we're going to move on to a 2.5-inch ribbon. Same thing, tail, 2 loops, another 2.5-inch ribbon. We're going to use this 1.5 striped, 1.5 hot pink with black, this 7/8 Swiss dot, and then top it off. We're going to use that skull 2.5 as the center. We're going to fluff all our loops out, fluff our tails. This is how we make them all nice. Just run your finger down along each tail, make it nice and fluffy. Here I'm just straightening out the tails, making sure they're all facing in the right direction. Here it is, displayed on a door.